Hi everyone, it's me. I'm in the baby's room and I'm about to decorate his bed. I got some stuff from Amazon and I've not unboxed them yet, but I just want to see how it looks. I believe it's going to be nice. I got two types of colors. I got a gray and the blue one. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. It came with a pillow. The pillows. Another pillow. This one is not a pillow. Two as well. This is the grey one. Two pillows as well. So I think it has a bed spread and one pillow inside of it. This also has a bed. It's not a bed spread. It's a duvet cover and a pillow. We don't have a pillow yet.
When it comes to taking care of babies, one have to be very careful. You know, my boy is really young to like sleep alone in his crib. You know, like the crib is in his bedroom. I'm just decorating it now for maybe after 6 months he can move into his bedroom. It is recommended that from 0 to 6 months the baby should sleep in a bassinet, and this is what he sleeps on for the main time. And it's advisable to have the bassinet in your bedroom so you can easily access the baby anytime he needs something, or as long as he's a young baby, you all should always keep an eye on him, you know. Normally what I do, like when he completed 4 months, from 3 to 4 months, I always keep him in his crib to take his nap, and I'm always there in his bedroom so I know what he is doing. And even if I go out to, like, if I go downstairs to get something, or if I just go out to the kitchen or somewhere around the house, I have my walkie-talkie, so I always listen to him and know if he's awake or if he's not awake. And really, this is what it is. Kids, it's a lot of tasks taking care of babies, and it's very important to keep an eye on them. That's why I bought these pillows and I put them around the bed, and as time goes on we'll take out some things and replace some things just for his safety. When the baby is 6 months old, it's recommended to take out all the toys and the blankets, just only what he needs for sleeping. So now I'm done with making the bed, and I'm going to go straight into decorating the wall. I bought some sets of stars with different sizes. This one is 55 sizes of stars. They have big and small ones, and it all comes in gray. And also I got the same kind of star, but a sky blue one. This is mainly for boys. It's of the same size, so I'm going to use it to decorate the wall to my taste. And after then I'm going to add a shelf to it. Later on you will see the decoration. I'm going to leave a space to it where I'm going to install the shelf. Well, I must say I'm really impressed with the decoration. It didn't take much time, and it was interesting, you know. It was like distracting myself. I've been looking forward to doing it before I gave birth to my son, but I couldn't because I was so heavy. So I had to do it after delivery, and really it was so much fun for me. I'm really happy the way the decoration came out, the bedding and wall stickers. They really look very nice and beautiful. Even if you see it in person, it looks really good. I would say I give this recommendation. This product is really good. It sticks very well to the wall. It doesn't fall off. It stays like just the way you stick it on. Really, I'm impressed. I would say it's a gold product. You can buy it and it's worth your pay, you know. It's worth your money. So we've come to the end of this tutorial, and I've looked forward to making this tutorial for a long time, and I'm glad I finally did it. And I'm happy you guys took the time to sit down and watch the tutorial. Please, I would like you to a thumbs up, and also you can share it for those who want to decorate their children's bedroom, want to learn something new. I would like you to also drop your comments and tell me what you think. So in this way, I would know what I do best and what I don't do well. Thank you all for watching and stay tuned. Love you all. Bye.